Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsStamp.com with a really special card kit for you, and we're titling this one Beautiful Humans. It has some gorgeous pieces that you can put together for moms or for Mother's Day, also to give as a gift to yourself or a friend that might be a mom or a mother. I'm going to jump right in and get you started on the 6x8 stamp set called Beautiful Mothers, and it features some amazing illustrated florals. It also has really nice bold messages. So the florals, you have a corner piece, you also have a nice tall piece, and then one that kind of wraps around. There's messages for the inside and also for the outside of your cards. So this is a brand new stamp set made especially for this kit. We also have a new stencil for you called Fading Florals, and this is a 4x9. They're perfect for slimline cards, also your mini slimlines, and you can use them with your regular card sizes as well. You're going to be hitting the Tim Holtz jackpot with this kit, and included is a 4-pack of the minis, and these are the newest colors that Tim has released in Speckled Egg, Crackling Campfire, Rustic Wilderness, and Pitch Flamingo. You'll also receive a 3-pack of Countryside alcohol inks in beautiful soft colors of Cloudy Blue, Shell Pink, and Willow. And to go with your alcohol inks, we're including 3 sheets of the Simon Says Stamp 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 Yupo papers. Also, you'll receive an alcohol ink applicator tip, and it has those extra felt pieces for your ink blending. And you'll also receive a full-size pad of the alcohol lift ink, and this is perfect for creating a beautiful alcohol ink background. You use this ink with your stamps to stamp onto your background and lift the ink up for a beautiful watermark result. We're also including a pack of the Tim Holt heart adornments. Use these with your alcohol inks to color them as you wish. Another fun item for this kit are 3 sheets of gold foiled messages, and these are pre-cut and foiled, and they're all heartfelt messages on soft, beautiful colors. And for you foiling enthusiasts, you'll get a 5-pack of gold Simon Says Stamp Deco foil. This is transfer sheets, so you can use these with your glues and embossing powders and pastes. You'll also receive a 3-yard roll of Tim Holtz linen tape, and this is an adhesive back, so you can just cut it and add it to your cards. And something fun for this kit is a burlap mini clutch, and it's fully lined. You can do all sorts of mixed media techniques to the outside to decorate it and make it your own. Adding little pockets to your cards is really fun, so we've included 5 mini craft treat bags, and you can fill them with goodies or messages and decorate the outsides. We have some 6x6 printed papers for you, and these are from Craft Consortium as part of their Bloom and Wild collection, and these are all florals. They are prints of stunning watercolored florals, and then each of the backgrounds has a watercolor wash color that goes along with them. There are 10 sheets in total for this kit, and they are double-sided, so you have that watercolor along with your floral on the front side. And as I flip through these, you can see that some of them are really small flowers and some are larger. You also have some sheets that have some greeneries, so you can put together your flowers from your stamp images along with these papers. We're including 3 of the Simon Says Stamp envelopes. These first 2 are A2 size in white and Audrey blue, and they have the peel away adhesive, and you'll also receive a cotton candy mini slimline envelope also with the peel away adhesive. And finally, you'll receive 5 cardstocks for this kit. This first one is Simon Says Stamp Lavender, Green Apple, and Cotton Candy. Then you'll get a sheet of Nina 80 Pound in white and Desert Storm. And next up, I have some inspiration using the contents from this kit. I've made a card where I created a alcohol ink background on that Yupo paper. Then I used the alcohol lift ink to lift up a flower image. Then I added the message strips and a suspended heart from a string. Cindy Norberg created a beautiful card using the taller floral image with watercolors. She also lined one of her envelopes with some of the pattern paper. Nina decorated her mini clutch using the stencil and some paste along with some Tim Holtz sprays for a priceless piece as a gift or for herself. Susie Plantamera created a slimline card, and she used the 2 corner pieces, one at the top and the bottom, and put her message in the center. And finally, Cindy Norberg used the stencil along with the alcohol inks on Yupo to create an amazing mixed media piece. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of our Beautiful Humans card kit. This is a limited edition and will only be available while supplies last. Be sure to check our blog post linked below and all of our social media for additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.